Ever wondered how to make healthy and easy plant-based recipes? Plant-based eating is all about nourishing your body with foods derived entirely from plants. It's not just fruits and vegetables but also nuts, seeds, oils, whole grains, legumes, and beans. The benefits are manifold. It can lead to improved health, weight management, and even contribute to environmental sustainability. It's a lifestyle that respects your body and the planet. Ready to dive into the world of plant-based cooking? Let's get started. Our first recipe is a nutrient-packed green smoothie, the perfect way to kickstart your day. This invigorating beverage is a symphony of flavors, each with its own unique health benefits. We'll start with a generous handful of spinach, a leafy green known for its high iron content. Next, we add a ripe banana, a great source of potassium and natural sweetness. The base of our smoothie is creamy almond milk, a dairy-free alternative rich in vitamin E. For an extra punch of nutrition, we'll sprinkle in some chia seeds. These tiny powerhouses are packed with omega-3 fatty acids. Lastly, a touch of honey adds just the right amount of sweetness, while also offering its own array of health benefits. To create this tantalizing concoction, simply add all these ingredients into a blender and blend until smooth. Serve it chilled for a refreshing and wholesome breakfast or snack. There you have it, a green smoothie that's as delicious as it is good for you. Next up is a hearty quinoa salad, a great lunch option that's both filling and nutritious. Let's delve into the ingredients you'll need for this vibrant dish. Start with a base of cooked quinoa, a super grain known for its high protein content and nutty flavor. To this, we'll add a variety of mixed veggies. Think colorful bell peppers, crisp cucumbers, and juicy cherry tomatoes. For an extra dose of protein and fiber, we'll also toss in some chickpeas. Now let's move on to our dressing. It's a simple concoction of extra virgin olive oil, freshly squeezed lemon juice, minced garlic, and a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Whisk it all together until it's well combined. Once you've got your ingredients prepped, it's time to assemble the salad. Combine the cooked quinoa, mixed veggies, and chickpeas in a large bowl. Drizzle the dressing over the top, then give everything a good toss to ensure each bite is bursting with flavor. And voila, a quinoa salad that's sure to keep you satisfied until dinner. And there you have it. 2 quick, easy, and healthy plant-based recipes. We've explored the vibrant world of plant-based eating, showcasing the simplicity and nutritional value of a green smoothie and a quinoa salad. These recipes are not only delicious, but they also open the door to a healthier lifestyle. So why not give them a try? Venture further into the realm of plant-based foods and discover the myriad of flavors waiting for you. Remember, eating healthily doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With these recipes, you're well on your way to a healthier lifestyle. Happy cooking!
What's your all-time favorite vegetable dish? Today we're diving into the world of veggies, a realm where color, taste, and nutrition are more than just a side dish. They are the heart of a balanced diet, offering a rainbow of nutrients essential for your health. But it's not all about the health benefits, right? It's also about the delicious meals you can create with them. So buckle up and let's embark on this culinary adventure. Get ready to discover a new favorite vegetable dish. You might be surprised. Have you ever tried a veggie twist on a classic dish? Today we're unveiling something exciting, the Garden Medley Pizza. This isn't your everyday pizza. It's a riot of colors and flavors, with a rainbow of fresh, crunchy vegetables and a vibrant homemade tomato sauce. Its secret ingredient? A sprinkle of love from the humble beetroot, adding a surprising sweetness that perfectly balances the savory tang. Roll up your sleeves, it's time to cook. First things first, let's talk about preparation. Carefully wash your vibrant, fresh vegetables under cool running water. Feel the firmness of the carrots, the smooth surface of the bell peppers, and the rough texture of broccoli. With a sharp knife, slice, dice, and chop these beauties into bite-sized pieces, revealing a rainbow of colors on your chopping board. Next, gather your ingredients. The beauty of vegetable dishes is their versatility, so feel free to use your favorite herbs and spices. Perhaps some zesty lemon or aromatic garlic? The choice is yours. Combine these with the vegetables in a mixing bowl, tossing gently to ensure an even coating. Now let's bring the heat. Preheat your pan over a medium flame, drizzle in some olive oil, and wait for it to shimmer. Hear the satisfying sizzle as they hit the hot surface. Stir and sauté until they reach the perfect balance of tenderness and crispness. For the final touch, sprinkle some fresh herbs over the top, maybe some basil or parsley. This not only adds an extra layer of flavor, but also gives your dish a pop of color. And voila, there you have it, a delightful vegetable dish that's sure to impress. The perfect blend of health and taste right there on your plate. It's amazing how simple ingredients can turn into such a feast. We've embarked on a culinary journey today, discovering the power of vegetables, crafting a unique dish, and walking you through the cooking process. We hope you're inspired to bring this healthy, delicious recipe to your own kitchen. Thank you for joining in this veggie adventure. Remember, the world of vegetables is vast and full of flavors waiting to be explored. Ever wondered how many delicious dishes you can make with fruits? Welcome to a vibrant universe, where fruits aren't just snacks, but the star of your plate. From the tropical jungles of Thailand to the bustling streets of Mexico, fruits play a starring role in a myriad of dishes. Whether it's a zesty starter, a sumptuous main course, a sweet dessert, or a refreshing beverage, fruits add a unique touch of flavor and health. So are you ready to dive into the world of fruit culinary delights? Have you ever thought of fruits as the star of your starters? Picture a vibrant, fresh fruit salad, bursting with the sweet and tangy flavors of seasonal fruits. Or how about a spicy fruit salsa, where the heat of jalapenos mingles with the juiciness of pineapples and mangoes? The process is simple: chop, mix, season, and voila! You've just created an appetizer that's as pleasing to the eye as it is to the palate. With these recipes, fruits can easily become the highlight of your appetizers, fruits in your main course, and desserts absolutely. Picture this: a sizzling pineapple chicken stir fry, where the sweetness of the pineapple perfectly balances the savory chicken and tangy sauce. The tender chicken is enveloped in a medley of crunchy vegetables, crowned with juicy pineapple chunks. This tropical twist not only adds a vibrant splash of color, but also a burst of fresh, fruity flavor that elevates the dish to new heights. Now, let's turn our attention to dessert. A classic apple pie. Imagine biting into a slice, the crisp buttery pastry giving way to a warm, gooey filling of cinnamon-spiced apples. The natural sweetness and slight tartness of the apples make this pie so delightful and comforting. Incorporating fruits into your main course and dessert doesn't just bring unique, exciting flavors to the table. It also infuses your meals with the nutritional goodness of fruits. So why not give it a try? These dishes are not only scrumptious, but also packed with the nutritional goodness of fruits. And who can forget the refreshing taste of fruit beverages? Imagine blending your favorite fruits, like bananas, strawberries, and a dash of honey for a delightful smoothie. Or maybe infusing crisp cucumber and juicy berries into your water for a hydrating pick-me-up. Simplicity is key here, friends. These recipes are not only easy to whip up, but also packed with health benefits. From boosting your immune system to keeping you hydrated, fruit beverages are a wellness powerhouse. We've journeyed from tantalizing fruit starters to main courses and desserts, where fruits play a starring role, all the way to refreshing fruit-infused beverages. Along this flavorful ride, we've also touched on the fantastic nutritional benefits that fruits bring to our tables. But remember, this journey doesn't end here. The world of fruit dishes is as vast as your creativity. So go ahead, experiment with fruits in your kitchen, and enjoy the culinary journey. Ever wondered why salads are so important for a healthy lifestyle? Well, let's dive in. Salads are a treasure trove of vital nutrients, packed with an array of vitamins, minerals, and a generous dose of fiber. These elements are not only crucial for maintaining your overall well-being, but also play a pivotal role in warding off a myriad of diseases. So salads are not merely a diet food. but a powerhouse of essential nutrients. Want to manage your weight without compromising on taste and nutrition? Salads might just be the answer you're looking for. Packed with fiber and low in calories, they help you feel full, curbing those cravings that led to overeating. But salads aren't just about weight management. They're a delicious, nutritious alternative to high-calorie meals, offering a medley of flavors and health benefits. So why settle for less when you can have it all? With salads, you can satisfy your taste buds while keeping those extra pounds at bay. Think salads are boring? Think again. Salads are a chameleon in the culinary world, transforming with the ingredients you choose. From fresh fruits and crunchy vegetables to hearty grains and lean proteins, the possibilities are endless. This variety keeps your meals exciting and ensures a broader range of nutrients. You can experiment with different textures, flavors, and colors, creating a feast for the eyes as well as the palate. Salads can be as diverse and colorful as your creativity allows, never letting your meals get monotonous. So are you ready to embrace the salad lifestyle? Incorporating salads into your daily diet can be a game changer. They're a powerhouse of nutrients, a fantastic way to manage weight, and ridiculously versatile. Whether you go for leafy greens, vibrant veggies, or flavorful fruits, the salad world is your oyster. So why wait? It's time to make salads a regular on your meal table. Remember, a salad a day keeps health problems away. So start your salad journey today.